Good morning. We are going to do another latte art this morning. I'm using Barista Express. Key to having a good milk is to just make sure you get the swerving action there, like look like tornado. The milk is almost ready. Here we go. Just make sure use the wet paper towel to wipe it clean right after the steam one there. If not, it's gonna get stuck. So make sure you get the paper towel, wet it, make sure clean it well. Yeah, clean it well. After that, flush. Good, just like that. So we got the beautiful shot of espresso this morning. Just to break the crema like this. So let's get going here. Here we go.